Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. Yeah, you know me. Yeah, and if you don't know me, yeah, then please subscribe, please. Yeah, get to know me, yeah, get to know me, yeah. It is favorites time, favorites of the month. It's November, so let's get it in, y'all. It's favorites, it's favorites. What? Let's get it into this. Literally, majority is makeup. You guys know I do my shop, my stash every single month. So this is the stuff that I've been really loving that's in my stash, and also some stuff that's, not makeup items. But let's get into this. Okay, first, let's go with a non-makeup item, which is on my nails right now. This is the mented nail polish. I literally am so excited that I finally got it. I've been eyeing these nail polishes for years and years since they first came out. I've been eyeing them, and since the first time when Too Much Mouth, Shania, she talked about this, and she was like, "Oh, they came out with nail polishes. They came out with new nail polishes. Like they had the new lipsticks, and this is when they just had bullets. You know what I mean? Just bullets. So I'm so excited because they stay on for so long. They dry fast. They're like perfect. They don't chip for like a week. If you don't have a top coat, if you have a top coat, they last longer, like 2 weeks. I love this. I just, yes, 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 yes. That's what it means to me. Yes, that's what it means to me. Ow. Okay, I'm gonna calm down. I'm gonna calm down, you guys. All right, let's go into foundation and concealer. You guys know NYX. Again, another thing that Too Much Mouth loves. One of her favorites is one of my favorites. This is the NYX Born to Glow. This is the concealer and the foundation. They're both in walnut. This is like my favorite. Wow, I just realized that the foundation is 12 months and the concealer is 24 months. Huh. But this is like less, so you'll use it quicker. But this is like more. Wow. Again, new stuff every single day. You know new stuff every single day in life, because that is life. Anyways, those are the two. Sorry, someone was calling me. I had to pick it up because I'm currently online for a turkey, aka it's Thanksgiving coming soon. So yeah. But yeah, these are very hydrating. They have like a skin natural feel. They're just really good products and I love them. Like they say, born to glow, your skin be glowing. Anyways, let's get into the next product. The next product is actually the two products I have on my face today. You have the Sephora microsmooth. I always microsmooth. Wait, what the Sephora microsmooth? Yep, I said it right the second time. Sephora microsmooth powder. This is really good just for a blurring effect all over the face. Good for setting is what I have on my face today. And then the alley oop. You guys know what I use for concealer today, because you guys know what I use concealer in the palette is this one on the bottom. And then for blush, as you can see, I use this. This just gives a natural blushy rosiness to the face, and I love it. And then this highlight right here is just a nice natural highlight, and it's just perfect. And then it has the mirror on the top. This is just my favorite cream product. I know, right? Kayla, I don't like cream products. The only cream product that I really liked was freaking Translucent Beauty blush, Bounce blush, and the freaking Fenty Beauty blush. But everybody else, all the other cream products I tried, I didn't really like. Not even the Cokie highlighter. I couldn't put it straight on my face. I had to put it on a brush, then put it on my face. It was just like a whole thing. I like it, but it's not my favorites. Those two were like, okay, I'm getting into it. But this is my favorite. Out of all the cream products that I have in my collection and that I tried, period, this is my favorite. The Alley Oop is my favorite. And I can say it, and I can say it again, and I can say it again. Whew. And it's so beautiful on my face, right? I know. So speaking of highlight, the highlight that I've really been using and loving this month have been Sophia and Mabel. Like literally beautiful. Hold up. There we go. Sometimes back looks like front, front looks like back. Anyways, look at that. Just look at that gorgeousness. It's just that beautiful rose gold on my skin. Amazing. It really is amazing right now. Ooh. Another highlight that's just like beautiful, and it just blends into the skin, just gives that natural but like not natural highlight feel. Like it just gives that shine, but it has some color in it. That's what I like. Okay, now the lip balm that I've been craving has been this lip balm from Plum, Candy Melts. This is a vegan lip balm. It's melon bubble yum. It smells so good. Oh, it expires in 12/2023. It smells like bubblegum. Like it just smells so good. Like it's the type of lip balm that nourishes your lips, make your lips feel great, doesn't irritate your lip, but also have like bubblegum smell that when someone's next to you or someone kisses you, like my baby kisses me, it'd be like, what do you have on your lips? Oh, you smell good. Is that, and it gives that type of beautiful like moisturizing feel. So that's a good thing. Okay, for brows, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. You guys know this is my favorite brow gel. It keeps my brows in place. It also adds some extra hair, extra oomph to my brows. I'm wearing it today. Like, literally my favorite brow gel. Like, no one can compare it. Well, no. Benefit can compete. Benefit definitely can compete. Alright, the next thing is for lips to lip glosses. Again, another mented lip gloss. You guys know I'm into mented. Mented is my sugar honey. I just don't like their eyeshadow formula, but I love anything lips, anything cheeks. Their foundation stick is great. Like, I like majority of mented stuff. Like, mented is my sugar honey. It's just like a nice gloss that goes with, like, nice orange gloss that goes with my complexion. And then this is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. It's just a great topper of any lipstick, any lip thing, if you want to add like some lightness to it. Like if it's like a deep thing, if it's like a deep color. And also, wow, it's like tacky. It's tacky, but it's not tacky with the strings. It's just tacky with the, like, it gives more hydration than the other one, because I literally try to go over the mented one, and the mented one is like a little bit tacky, but this one is more tackier. So this one is more moisturizing than this one, but this one has color and this one has just sparkles. Mix it together, mix it together, makes everything so better. Wow, that was a lot. For spray, we have Urban Decay. You guys know Urban Decay is the legend for keeping your makeup in place, but it's really expensive, so I love the travel size. I love the travel size, so you could just and that's it. That's it. And it lasts for a very long time, because I don't really use setting sprays that much. Don't really put makeup on that much, so it lasts for a very long time. Especially sprays to hold on to your makeup, I don't really use that much. I use the hydrating mist, the hydrating sprays to melt everything in, and then I spray 2 sprays of this, and that's all I need. So it lasts for me. I don't know about anyone else, but it lasts for me, period. The next thing is the Kopari Ultra Restore Body Butter. I've been using this as a hand cream. I got it in Ipsy. That's the reason why it's so small. It also has like hyaluronic acid, and it has a good like shea butter smell and coconut. Oh, but it feels like so good on the skin, and it's really good on my elbows. Like, oh, that smells so good. It says it has prickly pear and coconut oil. Yep, I smell the coconut oil. Smell the coconut oil. And it feels so good, and it like absorbed in my skin so nicely, and I just love it. I'm really gonna be sad when this is empty. I really am, because that's actually a good one. Okay, the next thing is the Burberry Her Eau perfume. I really like this perfume. It smells really, really good. It feels really, really good. Like the spray, the mist, it feels really good on my skin. It's like a light scent. It's not like overpowering, like you will only smell it if someone hugs you. It's not like, oh, you walk in a room, oh, her? Is that her? That's the intense one. This one is more on the light scent. It's more on the hug, feel, that type of scent. It's not like gonna overpower a room. And that's what I've been liking this November. I've been like wanting distance from people. Like, people don't say that, oh, you smell good, and come to me. I want a distance from people. And the only people that I give hugs to is the people that I actually care about. That's the people who'd be like, oh, you smell good. You always smell good. You always smell nice. That's the one. That's the one that I use for that. The last products is what I actually have on my eyes today. This is the Fenty Beauty Snapshot number 7 palette. This palette is actually the shimmer that I have on my eyes today, and I've been really liking it. Really liking it. Like, it's this one right here. I've been really liking it. I've been using it like every day. This is like my everyday palette. Like, I was just talking about this. Like, if I would go on a vacation and I would only take little palettes, I would take a Huda Beauty palette, one of the Fenty Beauty Snapshadow palettes, this palette, and I would take a Natasha Denona palette and call it a day. Like, I literally take those 3 million palettes, have different things to go through, and it would create like a whole palette, and I would just use that. Guys, sometimes I'd be like, do I want this, do I want that? Because I don't want to like an all purple palette, or all this palette, or all this palette, or like a palette and not have everything. Because these two together make a good palette. So you got your purple pinks and greens, olive greens, like beige tones. You got your mustard yellow. You got your browns. You got your gold. This is a gold right here, like a white gold. And you got your deep, like, bluish green. So you got like all these type of different colors in one. And then having the Natasha Denona one would just like go everything together. So it's like you can have many different looks in one, and that's what I really like about this stuff. And they're really good. This is a really good formula, the Huda one. This is okay, but I really just like, because it's like a buildable formula. It's not just straight like boom, bam, boom, like the Huda. So it's like, this is a very buildable formula, and I do like it. I do like it. In that sense, like, I'm just gonna go for work, this one. If I'm gonna go for like a night out, this one. It's like, that's how it was this November. But that's it. That's my favorites of November 2022. What do you guys like? Let me know your favorites down below, and always check the description box to see where some of these products you can get. Deuces.